Are you opening WhatsApp to send an urgent message, only to see it stuck with a frustrating clock icon? This means the message cannot leave your device to reach WhatsApp servers. Fortunately, we can fix this network connection issue in just a few simple steps. Let us resolve this problem right now.
First, let us refresh your cellular connection to clear temporary glitches. Swipe down to open your Quick Settings panel, toggle airplane mode on, and wait for 10 seconds. Now, toggle airplane mode off again to let your device establish a clean connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data instead, as local firewalls or DNS settings can block WhatsApp traffic.
Second, check your system date and time synchronization. WhatsApp security handshakes will fail if your device clock is even slightly incorrect. Open your device settings app, navigate to General Management or System, tap Date and Time, and make sure the Set Automatically option is enabled. This will sync your phone time with your network provider and restore secure connections.
Third, let us clear corrupted temporary files from the WhatsApp cache memory. Open your phone settings, tap Apps, select WhatsApp from the list, open Storage Settings, and tap the Clear Cache button. Do not tap Clear Data, as clearing cache keeps your chat logs completely safe. Restart WhatsApp to check if your messages send.
Why does this error occur on your device? The clock icon indicates that your device cannot complete the secure TLS handshake with WhatsApp servers. This is usually caused by outdated app versions, background data restrictions under battery saver modes, or local network configuration blocks. Keeping your apps updated avoids these compatibility errors.
Now reopen WhatsApp and check the check marks on your sent messages. A single tick means your message was successfully sent to the server. Please review the disclaimer below. Like, subscribe, and comment if this tutorial solved your error.